here, we'll be using acrylic yarn for the whole project. The hat will start with a slip knot and chain 17. Into the second loop from the hook, we'll do single crochets all the way till the end. We end up having 16 stitches, and now we'll chain 1 and we'll turn. Skipping that chain we just did, we'll be working into the back loops of our single crochets, and that's how every row will begin. We'll be repeating this row all the way till the end, chaining 1 and working into the back loops of the stitches. So keep going till you have about 12 inches and to about 4.5–5 inches for a newborn hat. At the end of the video, you'll find a chart and the sizes for the hats. So now we can close that side over here for our little hat. So grab your yarn and do the first slip stitch. Now grabbing a stitch from each side, we'll be working with single crochets all the way till the end. And this is how it looks on the front side. So now that we reach the end, we'll do single crochets all around the top so we can have the top of the hat closed as well. We'll just chain 1 so we can move to the top here, and grabbing a stitch from both of the sides, we'll do single crochets again all the way till the end. Just do it loosely so you can have that straight line. Cut your yarn and weave in down those ends there and turn your hat inside out. Push those corners up so they can look like antennas for our little bug. And here you can put eyes, or we can make little dots for a ladybug. So let's start making those dots. For the dot, start with a magic ring and chain 1. And into the magic ring, do 8 single crochets. Go back to the first stitch and do a slip stitch, and you just close your gap. And you can make as many as you want from those little dots. We will attach them all around the hat. Now get your tapestry needle and let's start sewing all these little dots we have on our hat. Now that we have all the dots of the ladybug, let's make her antennas, and we'll make them with pom-poms. And of course you can pick any color you want for your pom-poms. Here I got the smallest pom-pom from the set of the pom-pom makers. And you go first on this side, then you wrap your yarn on this side, and then you close them. So there, here my both sides are here. You get a piece of scrap yarn. This will be in the middle. And then you cut your pom-pom. You enter your yarn through the middle of the pom-pom, and then you tighten your middle really well a few times. Now you can separate your little tool. And then you have to trim your little pom-pom. Just like this. And once you have it in a very nice shape, we're gonna attach it really here. And you make one more pom-pom. You attach your pom-pom maker back. And you're ready for the next one. We need to attach the pom-poms to our newborn hat. And it has little antennas and little dots for a ladybug, or you can make it into any insect you want. You can make them yellow and black and make a bee. You can just remove the dots, put eyes, and make a caterpillar. So let's start on the cocoon. The cocoon starts with a magic ring, and chain 2, and into the same ring we do 7 double crochets after the chain 2, and this one will be our first row. So we end up having 8 double crochets. We go at the top of the chain and we do a slip stitch, and I will be increasing every stitch. It means we're going to do 2 double crochets into each stitch. So we chain 2 again, which will count as the first double crochet, and into the next same space we put 1 more double crochet. Into the next stitch we put 2 double crochets, and we'll keep going like this till the end of the row. When we are done, we reach the end of the row. At the top of the chain we do a slip stitch and then chain 2, which will count as a double crochet as well. The next row we increase, and then we do 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then we increase in the next stitch and 1 double crochet again. So here we count that chain as a stitch, and into the base of the same chain we do 1 double crochet. The next stitch will just get 1 double crochet, and then the next stitch after that we'll get 2 double crochets, and we'll keep repeating increase and 1 double crochet all the way till the end for a total of 24 double crochets. We started with 8, we increased to 16, we added 8 more, so it's 24. This will be for this row, and then after that we will have 1 more row with increases, which will be an increase and 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches, and then we'll have 1 more row of increases, which will be an increase and 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches, and then we have 1 more row of increases and then 4 double crochets into the next 4 stitches. So this is where our repeats are: an increase and 4 double crochets, and we have 1 more row of increases. So we have an increase and 5 double crochets into the next 5 stitches. And after that, we'll be just going with no increases till we reach about between 18 and 20 inches. And we end up with a row of single crochets. I switched my colors every 7 rows, and the width of the cocoon is about 9.5 inches. And here is the matching hat that goes with it. So, and you can also fold it here if it's too long, and your baby will be so cozy during this Halloween season.